अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम कर रहे हैं अपना लेक्चर नंबर 2 विच इज़ एक्सरसाइज 5.4। टुडे वी हैव टू स्टार्ट एक्सरसाइज 5.4 विच इज़ ऑन पेज नंबर 137 ऑफ योर बुक एंड आई विल स्टार्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 ऑफ इट फॉर यू। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इज़ x plus 2 into x plus 4 into x plus 6 into x plus 8 minus 9. I have written it on the page. So exercise 5.4 which is page number 137, today is 5th of September 2020. Okay, the question is factorize the following. Question number 3 is written over here. The first step after solution is, you know that we have to repeat our question, which is x plus 2 into x plus 4 into x plus 6 into x plus 8 and then minus 9. Okay, as we are looking here, there are 4 terms which are being multiplied, means 4 factors are being multiplying, but you have to select the two factors and you have to multiply these 2 factors with each other. So the trick is here that you have to add these constant term. When we add 2 with 4, we get 6. 2 plus 4 is 6 and 6 plus 8 is 14. But when we add 2 plus 8, okay, 2 and 8, which gives us 10. And then when we add 4 and 6, we also get 10. So we will arrange our terms accordingly, that x plus 2 into x plus 8 and then x plus 4 into x plus 6 and then minus 9 as it is. Okay, why we have selected these 2 factors? Because 2 plus 8 gives us 10. When we add 2 with 8, it gives us 10, and when we add 4 with 6, it also gives us 10. Okay, so now you will multiply these 2 factors with each other. So we will start our multiplication. The first step of multiplication is, you have to select the first term of the first factor, that is x, and you will multiply it with x plus 8. Then you will select plus 2 and you will multiply it with x plus 8. Then the same step will be followed here, which is you will multiply this x with x plus 6 and then plus 4 with x plus 6 and then minus 9. Okay, now multiply it. So we will get x into x is x square plus 8x plus 2x plus 16 and then x square plus 6x plus 4x plus 4 6 are 24 and then minus 9. Now as we can add 8x and 2x because these two are like terms, and plus plus plus, when both the terms have same sign, we will add these 2 terms and sign of greater term will be put here. So 8 plus 2 is 10, so we will get 10x plus 16. In the next step, x square plus 6x and 4x are like terms, so we will add these 2 terms, we will get 10x plus 24 minus 9. Okay, now we have converted these 4 factors 1 2 3 4 into 2 factors. Okay, there are 2 factors. The first factor is x square plus 10x plus 16 and the second factor is x square plus 10x plus 24. X square plus 10x and x square plus 10x is common, so let us put x square plus 10x is equal to y. Okay, so then this step will become y plus 16. We will replace x square plus 10x by y, so we will get y plus 16 into y plus 24 and then minus 9. As there were x square plus 10x plus 16 and we have replaced x square plus 10x by y, so it will become y plus 16 and then y plus 24 and then minus 9. Okay, now when we will multiply y with y plus 24 and then plus 16 with y plus 24 minus 9, so we will get y into y is y square plus 24y plus 16y plus 24 into 16. 24 into 16 I have to multiply 24 with 16. So we will get 384, okay, minus 9. So I will write y square plus 24 plus 16y gives us 40y plus 384 minus 9. So in the next step, I will write y square plus 40y plus 384 minus 9 gives us 375, okay. Now as we are looking here, the rule of product and sum will be applied here. So the product and sum rule tells us that we have to shift the first term and the last term as it is. Now we have multiplied 375 with 1, so we will get 375 multiplied by 1 is equal to 375, okay. Now the factors of 375 are more, we have more factors of 375, but we will select 15 and 25 because 15 into 25 gives us 375 and also 15 plus 25 gives us 40. So we will write plus y over here, and in these brackets we will write 25 plus 15. Now y square plus 25 into y gives you 25y plus 15y plus 375. So now by grouping method, in the first group y is common, so you will get y plus 25. And in the second group there is common factor. What is the common factor here is 15. So we will write 15 ones are 15 plus 25. So there are two factors. The first one is y plus 25 and the second one is y plus 15. So our factorization is completed. The question was factorize the following. The factorization is completed, but there is a problem that the answer is in variable y and the question was in variable x. So you will put in this step, as we have put x square plus 10y is equal to y. So you will write the statement that putting back the value of y. Now you will putting back the value of y, you will get the value of y was what? X square plus 10x. So you will write x square plus 10x plus 25 and then x square plus 10x plus 15. So your factorization is completed. But when we check this factor, there is x square plus 10x plus 25. It is also factorizable by product and sum rule. Why? Because 25 multiply 1. When we multiply 25 with 1, we get 25. And we know that 5 5s are 25 are its two factors, and these two factors, when we multiply these two factors, we get 25, and when we add these two factors, we get 10. It means we can factorize this term further. So now we will factorize it by product and sum rule. So x square plus 25 and then plus x, and then we will write 5 plus 5, okay. And the rest of the term will be shifted as it is because it is not factorizable. You cannot factorize it further. So in this step, as you are looking, the x square plus 5x plus 5x plus 25 and then x square plus 10x plus 15. So you will get x into x plus 5. By grouping method, this is your first group and this is your second group. And then plus 5 is common. You will get x plus 5. So the next term is x square plus 10x plus 15. And at last, I will write x plus 5 as a common factor. Then x plus 5 is a common factor. And then x square plus 10x plus 15. So this is your last